In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to crochet this blanket with roses on it. We're gonna need 3 colors as the base, flower petals, and the leaves. Let's get started. So grab our 5mm crochet hook, make a slip knot, chain up 180. That is about 124 centimeters to me, but it might differ for you, so you can actually adjust the stitch number to your liking. Just make sure your stitch number is a multiple of 3. After that, you want to chain up 2, into the 5th stitch. We're going to put a double crochet, but we're going to put it into the back loop. So we're going to yarn over, insert hook, put a double crochet, into the next stitch, another double crochet, into the 3rd stitch, 1 more double crochet. So we're gonna keep putting 1 double crochet into every stitch along this row. I'll see you when you're close to the end. I'll show you how to change color. Alright, so I'm close to the end. I have 1 stitch left. So we're gonna put a double crochet, but we're not gonna finish it. We're gonna stop here and grab a 2nd color. This row is gonna be our leaf row, so preferably green. So yarn over, pull through, and finish this double crochet, and we can start our next row by chaining 3. Chain your work. Into the 3rd stitch, we're going to put a double crochet. There's the first one, 2nd one, and the 3rd one. That's also the 6th stitch from the hook. So into this one, a double crochet. After that, chain 1, and into the same stitch, put another double crochet. After that, we're gonna skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, 3, into the 3rd one, a double crochet. You're going to chain 1 again, into the same stitch, a double crochet. So that's our pattern there. Skip 2 stitches, into the 3rd one, put a double crochet, chain 1, and into the same stitch, another double crochet. So keep doing this. When you're close to the end, I'll show you how to finish this row. That's what it looks like. At the moment, I have 2 stitches left. That's 1, that's the 2nd one. We're gonna go straight into the 2nd one and put a double crochet there. We're not losing any stitches here, so don't worry. But we're gonna change color for our next row, so don't finish this double crochet yet. So get a pink color yarn to finish this double crochet. Then you want to chain 3, turn your work, We're not gonna put anything into the first stitch, so we're just gonna chain one. We're gonna yarn over into this loop here. Yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2. We're not going to finish this double crochet, we're going to yarn over into the loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, the first 2 loops, do that a 3rd time, and a 4th time. We're always going to yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. So once you've done that 4 times, you should have 5 loops on the hook. You want to yarn over and pull through all 5 of them. So that's our little rows on the leaves. Next, we're going to chain 2 to reach the next leaves, the next loop. So into the loop, we're going to do the same. A double crochet but not finish it. And then we're going to do a second double crochet but not finish it. A 3rd one. 4th one. So we're just going to repeat that process. We're going to chain 2 and then do that again, and chain 2 and do the same. So we're going to follow that pattern to finish the entire row. When you're close to the end, I'll show you how to finish this row. So that's my last flower finished. We're going to chain 1 instead of 2 like before. Go into this chain 3. I'm going to put a double crochet on top of this chain 3. Again, we're not going to finish it because we want to change color. We're going to grab our first color from the first row to finish this double crochet, and we're going to chain 3. After that, into this loop here, put a double crochet, into the next loop, the first loop between 2 flowers, we're going to put 3 double crochets. Into the next loop, 3 double crochets. So that's our pattern there. Into every loop, we're going to put 3 double crochets. So keep doing that. I'll show you how to finish this row. When you finish the 3 double crochets into the last loop between 2 flowers, you're going to put 1 double crochet on top of the last flower, 1 double crochet into the first chain 1 we did at the start of this row, and into this loop we're gonna put our last double crochet. Next, we're gonna chain 3 into the second stitch of this row, which is also our 5th stitch from the hook. Insert a double crochet. So we're gonna keep putting 1 double crochet into each stitch for this row. When you reach the end, don't forget our chain 3. Put a double crochet on top of that as well, so we don't lose any stitches here. Next, chain 3. I'm gonna do the same into the 5th stitch from the hook, insert a double crochet, and from that point we're gonna keep putting 1 double crochet into each stitch to finish this row. Again, when you reach the end, don't forget the last chain 3 stitch. Next row we're gonna change colors, so we're not gonna finish this double crochet. I'm gonna grab our color 2, which is the green color, finish this double crochet. Make sure it's not overly tight. When you change color, you don't need to cut the yarn because we're gonna hide it when we're crocheting along the edge. So you're gonna chain 3 again, start our leaf row. We've done this before, so from this point it's gonna be exactly the same. We're gonna skip 1, go into the 3rd stitch of this row, which is also the 6th stitch from the hook. A double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet into the same stitch. We've done this row before. If you don't remember how to do it, you can always go back and have a look at our first leaf row. So our pattern is like this. We're gonna do 1 row of leaf, 1 row of petals, and 3 rows of the first color, and repeat that: 1 leaf row, 1 petal row, 3 rows in between. So you're gonna keep going, and after you reach the length you want your blanket to be, I'm gonna show you how to crochet the edge. I want to point out that we have to make sure we don't accidentally increase or decrease. When you start the row right above the petal row, put 2 double crochets before this space, and this space gets 3 double crochets. But when you reach the end, after putting 3 double crochets into this space, you're gonna put another 3 double crochets after that to make sure you're not decreasing. I'm still using the 5mm crochet hook. I just couldn't find the other one. Make your blanket however long you want and stop right here. After that, you're gonna chain 1, and then we're gonna crochet along the edge in this direction. They're all double crochet rows, so we're gonna put 2 single crochets in each row. So the first one, I'm gonna put 2 single crochets. The next one, 2. Next one, 2 again. So you're just gonna keep doing this along this side. When you reach the corner, you're gonna chain 1 and put 1 single crochet on top of each stitch. You're gonna do that all the way around, and then when you reach this side, you're gonna slip stitch into the chain 1. So now I'm gonna slip stitch, chain 1. So into this first single crochet, I'm gonna put a single crochet, chain 3. Into the same stitch, we're gonna put 2 double crochets. Then we're gonna skip 2 stitches into the 3rd stitch, a single crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochets into the same stitch, and then skip 2 stitches, single crochet into the 3rd one. So that's the pattern there. You're gonna do that all the way around. When you reach the corner, you're just gonna adjust it however you see fit, because your blanket might have a different size, so the positioning might be different. You're gonna have to deal with it differently. So that's what the corner looks like, and that's the edge. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.